Welcome to Common Entrance Mathematics and QR class. Remember to subscribe to the channel so that you can get put on the notification button so that you can be notified as soon as we post videos. Alright, we are still on the 2022 National Common Entrance exam, and this is number 14. Change 7.5% to fraction in its lowest term. Change 7 number 1/2% to fraction in its lowest term. Alright, so what we have is 7/1/2%. Okay, we know that anytime we see this symbol, remember, it means divided by 100. It means what? Divided by 100. So let's write that. So this is 7 number 1/2 divided by 100. Okay, so for us to simplify this, we have to convert this to mixed number. We've done that in one of the questions earlier. Okay, so you can go back and check. You find where we change a number from a mixed number to an improper fraction. Okay, how do we do that? We multiply the whole number and the denominator. So we do 7 times 2 and it gives us 14. Then we add the numerator. Okay, so 7 times 2 plus 1. 7 times 2 is 14. Then 14 plus 1 is 15. Then we retain the denominator over 2. Okay, divided by 100. Since we have a fraction here, so we also write this as a fraction. Every whole number has its denominator as 1. So we write it as 100/1. Okay, now at this point, we do what I call keep, change, and flip. Okay, when you have two fractions separated by the division sign, or you are dividing two fractions, keep the first one as it is. So we keep 15/2 as it is. Then we change the sign to multiplication. Change this sign to multiplication. Then flip this one. So you have done it upside down. So you have 1/100. That's simple logic, a simple method of procedure for division of fraction. Okay, so we do our division by cancellation. We check if there is a common factor between the numerator and the denominator, wherever they are, upstairs and downstairs. So let's check if there is any number in the numerator that can divide any number in the denominator, or that has a common factor. So I've spotted 15 and 100. So I know 5 can divide 15, 5 can divide 100. So I go 5 in 15 is 3, and 5 in 100 is 20. So that means 5 in 10 is 2, 5 in 0 is 0. So I have this left. So I check again, can anything still divide? Do I have a common factor? Alright, I think the answer is no. 3 does not have any common factor as 2 or 20. So what we have left upstairs, we have 3 times 1 in the numerator, and the denominator we have 2 times 20 left. Okay, 3 times 1 is 3, and 2 times 20 is 40. Alright, so our final answer is 3/40. Final answer 3/40. Okay, so we have been able to change 7.5% to fraction in its lowest term. Lowest term means that our final answer shouldn't have a common factor. The denominator and the numerator should not have a common factor. And we see 3 does not have any common factor as 40. So okay, it is a good common factor. Okay, they still have 1 as a common factor, but there's no factor that can divide 3 and also divide 40 apart from 1. Okay, thank you. So our final answer is 3/40. What did we do again? We changed 7.5 to an improper fraction, and we know that a percentage sign means divided by or divide by 100. So we change the percentage sign to divide by 100, change the fraction to an improper fraction. Then we do a division of fraction. We keep the first one, change the sign, and flip the other fraction. So we have 15/2 times this. We evaluate and we got a final answer. Thank you. Please remember to try out the question attached to this video and write out your answer in the comment box. Thank you.